Back in 2012, while working as the sales and marketing manager of Hotel Doolin in County Clare, my general manager at the time told me that he also wanted me to become the green manager of the hotel, create a green team and apply for green certification. What? That was my first thought. To say I was apprehensive is an understatement. I had no idea where to start, so I had to start attending workshops, seminars, signing up for courses, reading blogs about green businesses, and all those things that take an awful lot of time. But within 2 years, we managed to reduce our energy by 30%, our waste by 40%, and our water consumption by 25%. And this was all with very, very little investment, and in some cases, none at all. So my very first thought was, why isn't everyone doing this? And that was kind of my light bulb moment, the moment that changed my career and my life forever. To me, greening a hotel or a restaurant became not just the nice thing to do, but the smart thing to do business-wise. And all of a sudden I thought, what if I could help other hotel managers just like me to start their own green journey? What if I could green the hospitality industry, one step at a time, obviously. And this is how 50 Shades Greener was born 2.5 years ago. Greening your hotel or restaurant does not have to cost you a fortune. In fact, when you start taking control and you start reducing your energy, your water and your waste, you will also see a reduction on your utility bills, as well as a reduction on your carbon footprint. Society is changing. The children of today are your customers of tomorrow, and they are currently striking for climate action. For the last 50 weeks, I think it is now, every single Friday. We need to align our industry to the values of our customers. And they are demanding change. And that change can only come from us, from within every business in the industry and from every person. To read more about this blog, you can head over to my website, 50shadesgreener.ie. See you next week.